Hello, how are you? The topic of this video is
PowerShell Tutorial 3 Helping System Part 1. One of PowerShell's shining features is its helping system. It can be evaluated as the most important resource in PowerShell. If you don't have an internet connection, you can still use offline help system with abundant information. Even if you have an internet connection, you will still find it handy to search for the commands you want and get your work done. You will see how this can be accomplished in the following demos. Because of the importance of PowerShell help system, after we have PowerShell installed and updated, I feel the next tutorial lesson should be dedicated to learning how to use the help system. The first thing we should do is to run PowerShell as administrator, so you can update help system. If you see the error message like Updatable help system requires animation, it basically means that PowerShell is not running as administrator. Go to bottom left corner and type PowerShell. Hold Shift key and right-click the best match result, Windows PowerShell. Select Run as Administrator option in pop-up dialog. To verify if PowerShell is running as administrator, check the title of PowerShell window. It should start with Administrator. PowerShell does not come with help system pre-installed. The reason could be that the help documents are still under modification and update, even after the PowerShell has been released to the public. It makes sense to update help system when you start using it for the most up-to-date version. The command to update help system is simple, which is get help. But as it will be clear in the demo, you may have to add some switches for the update process to complete, because the help documents for some modules may fail and prevent others finishing update. Let's first try get help commandlet without any switch. It starts updating for various modules. Then it failed to update help for the modules such as Defender, all data utils, validation, with error messages like the server on which help content is stored might not be available. Try the command again. In another section, it failed to update help for the module Windows Update Provider and asked to check your network connection. Now we will use workaround to update help system with switch false. Notice that you can use tab for auto-completion. For the next switch, we will use Ctrl and the space key for help context. Type arrow action. Then silently continue. Now let the update finish. It could take several minutes to update the help system for all the modules. We switch false. The update will forcefully complete the script even if error occurs in between. Error action switch with silently continue parameter will force the process silently skip the failures and move on to the next module. Practically, I never got into trouble by skipping the failures during update. The help works just fine, even I know some modules' help files may not be up to date. Now update is completed, we can move on to use it. To get the help for a command, for example, get host, that we used in the last tutorial to check PowerShell version, we can use this syntax: get help, get host. You can also use alias help or man in place of get help. Help is a DOS command, and man or manual is a Linux or Unix command. As update help commandlet, get help also has some switches we can use to get different behaviors. We will see it in the following demo. First, type get help, get host. Different help sections for get host are displayed, like name, synopsis, syntax, description, related link, remarks. Let's go one step further. After get help, get host, type dash, then press Ctrl and space keys. You see, it shows different options like detailed, full, examples, online, show window. Type full and press enter. Now we have more sections than before, including name, synopsis, syntax, description, parameters. This is new. Inputs, outputs, notes, examples. Related links. Let's use another switch, show window. A new help window shows up. The nice thing about this window is that you can click on Settings on the top right corner. In the pop-up dialog box, you can select various help sections. Let's select all of them. Then click OK. Now you have the full help content, as if you are using switch full. You can also use find functionality here. Enter example with space at the end. Now all the examples are highlighted. Click Settings again and check all help sections, except examples. Click OK. Now only examples section is displayed. It's much easier to see all the examples in this section. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, There are 8 examples. When you finish, close the help window. Another useful commandlet I also included as part of the help system is GetMember. Since the output from commandlets is object, GetMember can help you to quickly find out which properties and methods are available. If you use pipe symbol or a vertical bar after a commandlet like getHost followed by GetMember, the members, properties, and the methods of getHost will be displayed. You can also use alias GM in place of GetMember to type less. Let's see how it works. Type commandlet getHost. Pipe the output to GetMember. In the output, you will find the available methods and properties from getHost commandlet. One of the properties is version. After we know this property name, we can pipe the output from getHost to select statement, followed by version. Only the value of this property is displayed. This is the basic usage of GetMember commandlet. Here is a quick summary of what we have learned in the first part of this tutorial on PowerShell help system. Update help system with update help and false switch, and arrow action switch with parameter silently continue. Get help on a specific commandlet, getHost with show window switch. Retrieve commandlet, getHost member, methods and properties by piping the output to GetMember. Please move on to part 2 to learn more on the help system. Thanks for watching.